Hello dear children. Today we will learn how to create presentation and add visual effects to it. Children, presentation will be the complete collection of the number of slides. When I say slide, you can see the page which is open here. The first page or the pages that you see in a presentation which gives you information about what we are working on is called a slide. So today we are going to start the topic presentation visual effects. Children, when we are adding an animation, when I say animation, it's the ability which you see when an object is moving or a text is moving or a graphics is moving in your presentation. Children, you must have seen different animated movies like Lion King and all. So here we will learn how the animation is being added. The text that I have written here, class 6, you can even add animation to this particular text, or you can add animation to the images. So let me insert an image first. After inserting the image from the gallery, I need to add animation to this particular image. For that, we will go to the Insert tab. And I have inserted the image. See children, the third tab that you see is the animation tab. Once you click on animation tab, you are going to find various effects. After clicking on custom animation in the right hand side, the add effect button is there. There are 4 different types of animation effects. First one is the entrance, second is emphasis, third is exit, and fourth is motion path. Children, the first effect, entrance, will let you allow or decide the manner in which the objects are going to enter inside the slide in the slideshow. So if I click on entrance and I'll select any of the ways, you can see how the effect is attached with the particular image and how it is changing. I can even add emphasis. Children, emphasis is letting you to draw the attention of the users, whoever is seeing your slide. If I want to emphasize on this particular the text, that is class 6, I'll go to add effect, emphasis, and I can click on grow or shrink. With this, what will happen is the text will change its appearance, it will grow, it will shrink as per the selected effect. We can add the next animation effect, that is exit. Exit will let you select how the object is moving out of the slide. Exit, suppose check a box. This is how the object will go from the slide. Then we have is motion path. Motion path, you can see this effect when your object is moving up, down, left or right, whatever you want, you can select it accordingly. If I'm selecting down, this is how the object is moving once we are starting our slideshow. So children, there are 4 different animation effects: entrance, exit, emphasis and motion path. Whenever we are selecting any effect, we can select the different ways that when it will start, whether it will start on the click of the mouse or before the click of the mouse or after few seconds of the click of the mouse. So this can be decided by clicking on the start option over here. The speed can also be decided how the object is going to move. If I'm selecting very slow, it will go slowly. If I'm selecting slow, it will go in a slow manner. If I'm selecting fast, it will go in a fast manner. This is how you can even add more effects to the particular transition or the animation that you are adding to it. Moving further, children, how to add animation effects. There is a basic difference between animation and transition. Children, when you are adding an animation, you can see that only this object or the image or the text that we are adding, the effect is there in that particular text. Now here if I have added some animation, it is only affecting the text. But transition is the change or the change that occurs when one slide changes to another. When I'll apply in transition, it will be applicable for the complete slide. Let us check. Here you can see transition to this slide. There are various transitions. So if I select a transition, you can see the whole slide is going. The slide is going and coming. So what is the basic difference between animation and transition? Animation is applicable on the object like the text or the graphics or the image, but transition is applicable when one slide changes to another, that is on the complete slide. So now the next thing that we will learn is how to insert sound clips. Children, whenever you go to insert tab and in the media clips option, here you will see there are two different options, movie and sound. Sound, when you click on the option sound, you can select the sound from your system or the computer which is available, or you can record your own sound. So if I click on sound from file, I'm going to select a sound, a recording from the system. Clicking on recording, I have one recording, children, here, so I've selected that. I'll click on OK. Once I've selected OK, you can see the option. It is asking us that when we want the sound to be played, shall it be played automatically or when the mouse is clicked, when clicked. So I'll select when clicked. The moment I selected when clicked, you can see an icon over here, a mic icon over here being displayed. This shows that the audio which I have added is being added here. When will it play? Once I click on this particular icon during the PowerPoint presentation. Now I'm not presenting, I'm just showing you how to add it. Then the other option that you can do is you can record your own sound by clicking on record sound option. When you click on record sound option, you will find the option that is being visible here. You can even give a new name to it. Suppose I'll keep it as class 6. And then when I click on this red button, my recording will start. And the sound is being recorded. After my recording is done, I can click on OK. And again, you can see another sound icon here. So this is the new sound that I have recorded. The first one was which I have taken from the file. Second one is which I have recorded. With this, I can even add sound effects to my presentation so that it will look more interactive. It will look more attractive when we are adding a sound effect. The next thing that we will learn today, children, is how to add video clips. The same place you are going to get the option of movie, that is in media clips itself. The second option was sound, using which we inserted sound from the file or we have recorded our own sound. This first option is movie. When I click on movie, I'm getting an option movie from file. If I click on that option, that whatever movies or whatever videos, movies actually are the videos, whatever video clips are available in my system is visible over here. Let me select one out of it. And click on OK. Again the same option. So I want it when it is clicked. So the video clip you can see is inserted in my slide. It will be played or it will only start when I click my mouse because I've selected that particular option. So when I click on it, today we are going to, you can see the video is starting over here in the PowerPoint presentation. So the next thing that we will learn today, children, is how to add action buttons. What are action buttons? Action buttons will help you to link to your another web page or to another website or email address Let me insert a new slide and I'll show you to add action buttons there. Action buttons, children. When you go to Insert tab, in Insert tab you are having Shapes option. Under Shapes option, the last option available is Action buttons. There are some pre-designed action buttons available, out of which you can select. So when I select an action button and I'm going to place it on my slide, the moment I have placed the action button on my slide, what happens is I'm getting another action settings option. Out of that, it is asking hyperlink to. That means, what is hyperlink? Hyperlink will let you link to another page or another site or wherever you want. That means when you click on that, it will take you or it will shift to another page. Like you have seen in Amazon websites, children, when you are going for online shopping in Amazon, the moment you click on men clothing, what happens? Another page opens in which all the clothings are being displayed. So how does it happen? Hyperlinks are connected. That is, when you click on one page, it takes you to another page. So here, when I click on hyperlink to, I'll select previous slide or the first slide. When I selected first slide, and then I'll select play sound. That means whenever I click on the hyperlink, I want a sound. Let us keep it a bomb sound. So what happens whenever we are clicking on this button, it will give us a sound and it will take us to the very first page of the presentation that we have created. Okay. So this is how you can add an action button to your presentation. So what have we learned today, children? We have learned how to add animation effects, how to add transition effects, how to insert sound, how to insert own sound, in order to insert video clips, how to insert action buttons in our slide. So this is what we have learned today in this module. The next continuation of the module will be sent to you the next time. Thank you, children. Take care.